Do you believe in superstitions? Hello and welcome to the second episode of Memories on a Plate. And for today's recipe, we have Kuler Achar or Chatni. In Bengali tradition, a popular myth or superstition associated with consuming kool or ber before Saraswati Puja is that students will not fare well in the upcoming final examinations, or they might even lose their voice. As a result, parents and grandparents would often stop their kids at home to gorge on the sweet and tangy fruit before Basant Panchami. But as kids, we are naturally curious and exploratory. When we are told not to have something, it piques our interest and makes us want it even more. And since I was raised outside of Bengal, I had to exercise enormous self-control and endure the pain of seeing my friends consume the fruit as soon as it hit the market. Now coming back to the recipe, with minimum use of water and a little bit exposure to the sunlight, you can enjoy this achar even after the season of kool is over. Recently, I came across a more logical explanation for why we might have been barred from having this fruit before Saraswati Puja. It's because of the lingering chill in the air, and consuming an unripe fruit during that time may cause sore throat, cough and cold. Now that you know the science behind the superstition, it makes me wonder,